How to get unbanned from Hinge. So go ahead and log into your banned account. So if your account is banned, Hinge should show a ban screen with an appeal option. Hinge says banned users may have the option to submit an appeal from this screen. So if you see the appeal button on the ban screen, go ahead and tap on that. So use the official in-app appeal option and don't rely on random unbanned services, new accounts, or bypass methods. Since Hinge does say if your account is banned, you won't be able to create a new Hinge account, but you can submit an appeal. Now, if that doesn't show up for you, you can go ahead to your browser, preferred browser, and search for Hinge Appeal. You can go ahead and choose the first option, which is to submit a request, or the second one, which is how can I appeal my ban, where you will be able to see the option to submit a request as well. Anyways, you can go ahead and write a calm explanation. You can keep it short, respectful, and factual. Say you believe the ban was a mistake and explain what may have happened. Avoid blaming, insulting, or sending emotional messages as well. So, for example, you have this over here. You can take a look at this as a short example. If you want to add more details, then you are able to. You can also complete an ID verification if asked, since Hinge may ask for an identity verification during or after the appeal, including a government-issued ID in some cases. And after all of those are done, you can just wait for Hinge's decision. After submitting, you can wait for the review, and if the appeal is approved, your account may be restored. If it is denied, the ban usually stays. Making new accounts can go against Hinge's rules as well, so you don't have to go for that option. But that's one way you can get unbanned from Hinge. So hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.